Introducing the Fat Burning Breakfast. We also included a 21-day jumpstart guide, which outlines a 21-day specific schedule containing the antioxidants, herbs, and minerals you should be consuming each morning and in what amounts, even if you want to lose 30 pounds or more and feel 10 years younger in the first month. Everything is laid out for you in an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide. Everything is so easy to understand, and Michael gives you all the methods behind what we are doing, and we also give you an advanced tracking formula so you can see how your fat percentages versus muscle growth measure up each week without having even to visit the doctor and pay those ridiculous doctor copays. We want to prove to you that you will lose fat and gain muscles rapidly. We have named this guide the 60-Day Fix, and out of the 79,368 others who have tried it for themselves, the average first-month weight loss is about 25 pounds. People like Jessica in Miami, Florida, who lost 26 pounds in the first month, or Sarah from New York, who lost 34 pounds and 5 dress sizes in a little over a month and a half. And Fred from Utah, who lost 29 pounds in 4 weeks. His confidence has been restored, and his sex drive is now through the roof. It is important to understand that the 60-Day Fix isn't just about fixing your problems in the short term. To get 60-Day Fix or to see a complete review, click on the link that appears in the description below this video.